Here, we're going to go deeper when it comes to decimal numbers and calculations. What type of computations can you do with them? Right now, you should have three different values here in your script. A score, another value, and one more value. Now here, we do debug.log and we print the original score. Now, what I want to show you is that you can do lots of things with them. You can do score is equal to another value plus 5, meaning that the score will be overwritten by the other value plus 5. All right, so and now let's print that. So let's remove this debug.log and put it right below debug.log, and we're going to print the score. So let's write score is space plus score dot toString. I'm going faster because you guys should know how to write that by now. File, save, and now let's go back to Unity, press play, and let's take a look at the score now. So it says score is 5. Why does it say score is 5? Because if you look at the other value, another value is 0. So it's 0 plus 5. Now put another value to be 10. Now it's going to be 10 plus 5. So it's going to be 15. And press play. And there you go, score is 15. Now put score is, let's put 20 for another value. Press enter. And now press play again. What does it say? Score is 25. And as you can see when you play, the score here is getting automatically updated. Alright? Interesting, right? Okay. Now, what I want you to do is go back to MonoDevelop and try other types than just a plus. You can do multiply also, or also divide and minus. Okay, so these are the basic math. Okay, so I'm going to go with multiply. So another value is 20. So 20 times 5 will be 100. If I press play, the score here should be 100. And there you go. The score is 100. So go ahead and play with them. You can also do a division and so on. Now, what I want to show you is even something better. You can do score is equal to another value plus one more value. All right, so now it's score is equal to these two values. Save this. Go back to Unity, and let's say what we're going to be expecting. Another value is 20 and one more value is 0. So the score will be another value plus one more value. 20 plus 0, it should be 20. Let's press play and see. Perfect, score is 20. All right, now let's go an extra mile and do another value is 15 and one more value is 15 as well. So that will be 15 plus 15, it will be 30. Let's see. Score is 30. All right, so far so good. Everything works great. So feel free to use that some more. Now something else that I want to show you is also a string. Sometimes you want to store text, so you can go public string and put the value of that string. Let's call it my text, and put equal to and put this is my text. Now what I'm showing to you here right now is that you can put default values right there automatically. And now save this. By the way, you can do this for strings, but you can also do default values for the floats. All right, so I'm going to do public float, again another value, and I'm going to put it to 223. All right, so I'm setting a value to this float. Now save this, and let's go back to Unity. Look in the hierarchy after it's done saving, and as you can see now it has again another value that's 223, and my text is this is my text. All right, so as you can see it can take these default values as well. Now if you change the text here, I write text changed. Now even though the other one says this is my text within MonoDevelop, this will always be text changed because this takes precedence. The Unity interface takes precedence about the default value that you have on the MonoDevelop script. Okay, so remember, this gets overwritten by whatever value you put straight inside of Unity. So if I change the value here to be 25 within the code, so within Unity I'm going to change 223 by 25. Press enter, it will get overwritten. Okay, so as you can see, the score is changing, and that's because again another value is new now. All right, so go ahead and play with them. I want you to add another string and concatenate the strings. You guys should be able to know how to concatenate strings because we're doing something very similar here. Go ahead and have fun.